Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A42 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here at the second place we have picture as preview option, so this is mirror effect at this camera. By using this button we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on again. So this is how it works. And also we have some short information from the device that this saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And of course remember that this only works with the front camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.